Have you ever imagined of having a circular economy in your farm? And what is a circular economy? A circular economy is where everything that is produced in the farm is getting utilized in the farm for the benefit of the farmer and also as a source of income. My name is Eunice Karanja, the farmer's friend, and here we offer practical solutions that will help you increase production, get better markets for your produce as we take care of our environment. In today's video, we are going to showcase how you can use the slurry or the cow dung in your farm to be of benefit to you as you take care of the environment. Come, let us learn together.
Right now here we are at our biogas plant. This is a 16 cubic meter biogas plant. This particular type of biogas is called the Akut Fixed Dome. Akut is an acronym, AKUT, Akut Fixed Dome, and it has a capacity of 16 cubic meters, and that means you can have up to 8 hours of gas. And in a normal homestead, rush hour ya asubuhi inakuwaga maybe 1 or 2 hours, then lunchtime another 1 hour, and in the evening maybe another 1 or 2 hours. So as long as we keep on mixing, we have 8 hours of gas. And we do this daily. We mix the dung here at a ratio of 1:1 with water. Then after we mixing, as you've seen, we've mixed this, and we only take the dung without any other residues, because that will end up clogging our system. So this one we've just mixed, and you see it takes about 15 to half an hour to mix at most. Then after that, we release this. It goes now to our digester. This all goes down to our chamber where this mixture ferments overnight. Then by tomorrow we'll have created more gas. Now the beauty of this is that once we release this, after it's gone through the chamber, it goes out through the expansion chamber on that end. Now what happens is that the residue or what comes out there has no smell, that the gas has gone all into the house and has been burned. The other part is that the bioslurry is very good fertilizer for our plants. The beauty about the bioslurry, even if it's a young nursery that you're doing of plants, the bioslurry will not harm your nursery as opposed to the other dung that has not already composted. So this one is like ready-made fertilizer. Now the beauty about this again is that we have a circular kind of circularity environment here in terms of the biogas. Now the bioslurry goes into the chamber, which helps us grow the fodder. The fodder goes into the animal as nutrition. Then it comes out as the dung. The dung is utilized here to make our gas. Now this has been a game changer on this farm because I've not bought gas, the LPG, since 2012. So you can do the math there. The average gas mtungi is anything between 3,000 and 4,000. And that is just for the domestic part. I'm using this gas again in my cottage industry as a source of what? Heating for pasteurization of milk. That means there's that area again I'm saving a lot of money in terms of heating. Apart from that, the bioslurry is also sold to other farmers as fertilizer. Another aspect where we use this in, and this also plays a very good role in our environment and taking care of our environment. Apart from that, this bioslurry, we also use it as an accelerator and a binder, because we also do briquette making on this farm. So on one end, we use the gas from the biogas digester, and we use the bioslurry again to help us making the briquettes, which also go into heating. So when you put all these savings together and the comfort, because gas is just lighting up. So in terms of savings, I can say I'm saving on the domestic part, I'm saving about 3,000 to 4,000 per month just on the domestic gas. For my commercial side, I can say I'm saving up to about 6,000 because I'm doing a lot of heating. That adds up to already 10,000 per month. I'm also not using the chemical fertilizers on the farm. I'm using the bioslurry as fertilizer. And it's also a source of revenue stream. I get my orders from the other people who are doing the tree nurseries and the kitchen gardens. So I always, in total, I could be saving about up to and about 20,000 per month. If you do that math for a year, then you'll see that there's some money. It can even take me for a holiday. Baada ya kuchoka hii kazi yote. And now the biggest plus is that we are taking care of our environment and trying to reduce our carbon footprint. And we are hoping we are going to embrace other ways of green energy.
There we have it, from cow dung to a useful resource that we can use in our homes and even in a cottage industry like this. Mrs. Wamai here is using the biogas from her farm in her cottage industry where she's making that. So don't let your dung go to waste. Use your dung to make biogas. It will save you money and it will help save the environment. Until the next episode, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.